There's these chores that people pay little attention to, or they do it once in a very long time, and that is cleaning the fridge. Sometimes caring for our family looks like the little things we do behind the scene. Cleaning the fridge is not just about neatness, it's about food safety, health, and peace of mind. You know that peace that comes when you are sure, when you've done something that will improve the health of the family, especially when you have children. You're always thinking about what's, keeping them safe. Small habits like this go a long way in keeping our homes and family healthy. So, go and clean your fridge. And remember, health begins at